Hello pretty girls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this silky blunt cut quick weave on myself. So first things first, I wanted to show you guys how I parted my hair. As you can see, I separated my leave out at the top and it's only a little bit of leave out, and on the sides, I only have my edges out. And for the rest of my hair, I just braided it into 2 cornrows and connected the braids in the back. Next, I got a black stocking cap. I put it on my head, pulled it all the way down over my ears and cut my ears out. Once that's done, I take my Got2b glue freeze hold spray and I spray it everywhere that I want it to stick. So I sprayed it around my perimeter and then around my leave out. Then I blow dried it while pressing down until it was dry. Then I use my dye brush to apply Weave Wonder Wrap all over my cap, except for on my leave out, of course. And I'm placing a towel around my neck just in case it drips. Once that's done, I spray my Got2b glue spray everywhere that I applied the Wonder Wrap, and then I sit under the dryer for about 25 minutes. Once the cap is dry and hard, I cut off all of the extra cap around my perimeter. And I also decided to cut my leave out this time as well. Okay, so now it's time to install the extensions, and I'm going to be using Salon Pro Super Hair Bond Glue. All of the products in this video will be listed below. I'm going to lay the first track at the nape of my head, going up toward my ears like in a U shape. Then I'm going to lay my next track the exact same way, but just coming up a little further right above my ears. So basically, I'm just going to keep laying them one above the next, going in a U shape. And then I'm going to start laying them in an even deeper U shape, beginning directly underneath my leave out. So just keep watching and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here is when I'm going to start laying the tracks directly underneath of my leave out, and this is going to frame my face. And I'm going to continue to do this for a few more rows, laying them directly underneath my leave out, framing my face. And as you can see, I'm connecting pieces because I've already cut this hair up so much. Alright, so this is going to be the last track that I laid this way. So I laid 4 tracks directly underneath my leave out, going in this deep U shape. And then I'm going to start filling in the middle until I get to the top of my head. And this is what it should look like so far. We're just going to fill all this in going straight across. Okay, you guys, this is the last piece that I'm placing directly underneath my leave out. Try not to have any gaps in between your leave out and your last track. So right here, I'm just using a little ebon edge control to lay my edges a bit before I start pressing my hair out. I'm using Cheese Silk Infusion Serum to press my hair out. I'm just going to put a little in my hand and spread it all throughout my hair. Then I'm going to press my hair in sections. Once I do a small section, I like to take my hot comb and run it from root to ends just to make sure that it's super flat and super straight. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the rest of my extensions. Once you're done straightening your hair, take all of your hair together on both sides, tie it together with a hair bow, and cut it straight across. And you can cut it as short as you want. And of course, there's going to be some pieces that need to be cleaned up. So I'm just going to take my shears and cut all of the pieces that aren't even because I want a really blunt cut. So just take note of how I'm taking all of my hair together and just cutting the pieces that are sticking out. And now I'm just going to layer the front of my hair a bit to frame my face. So I press my leave out using Cheese Silk Infusion Serum as well. And I'm just going to spray a little Kenra finishing spray to make sure that it stays in place. And y'all, this is not the finished look, but look how cute this is. I love a silky blunt cut. I'm definitely going to be wearing my hair like this as well. And I did use this hair glass mask on my hair that I got from Target just to see how it works. And I really do like it because my hair really does look silky like glass. So I'm going to list that product below as well. And now it's time for me to curl my hair. So just watch and see how I flip my ends and curl the front. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take the clips out and fluff it up a bit. You guys, this is the finished product and I absolutely love it. It's so silky and it gives sexy yet classy. What do you guys think? Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments. All I know is I'm definitely feeling myself with this look. But this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.